This glowy bridal makeup look is perfect for anyone on a budget, and it's not just for brides either. Avoid layering your makeup products on your big day, as this can make your face look super cakey. Instead, use all your base products all at once in just one layer using the dot makeup method. Dot your foundation, concealer and contour onto your face and blend away. This way you have just one layer of makeup but still achieving a full coverage look. Add color to your base using a blush. You can do so by using your favorite pink lipstick or mix a few colors for your custom shade. Placement of your blush can either make your face look super soft by applying it to the apples of your cheeks, or make it look more defined and chiseled by applying it to the high points of your cheeks. Once your cream and liquid products are in place, you can set them using your powder products. You can enhance your look by layering your cream blush and contour with powder blush and bronzer. Set the under eyes with a translucent setting powder to avoid any caking or smudging. Add glam to your look using a subtle eyeshadow. You can start by using your powder bronzer in the outer corner of the eyes and blend it inwards for a more defined look. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you can also go in for a soft winged eye look. If you want to highlight the inner corner of the eye or the lids, you can also use your powder highlighter. Finish off your eye look with a little bit of mascara and filling in your brows. You can use an eyeshadow that is slightly lighter than your natural brow color to give yourself a fuller look. You can also use your eyeshadow palette to help you out with this. For this to last longer, use a setting spray to spray it onto your spoolie or your eyebrow brush. Then go in with the pigment and it'll last a lot longer. For mascara, always go in with 2 coats and follow the natural direction of your lashes for a more fanned out look, or focus the product on the outer lashes for a more cat-eyed look. To add that extra glow to your makeup look, go in with your highlighter. Add it to the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, and blend in an upward direction towards your temples. Finish your makeup look with a lip shade that matches the undertone of your eyeshadows. If you've gone with a warm palette like golds or browns, then go with the brown or red lip shade. If your eyeshadows are cool like silver or grey, then you'd rather go with a nudish pink or a mauve lip shade. We hope these tips helped you achieve the ultimate wedding look. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.